Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel, The Roaming Investor. Today, we're going to talk about erasing the taboo around investing. First, let's try to answer the question, what is investing? Investing is a fundamental tool for building long-term wealth and achieving financial goals. However, for many people, the idea of investing can be scary and intimidating. This can be due to multiple factors. Before we any further, let me remind you that if you like the videos from this channel, please hit the like button and subscribe to support more content from this channel. Investing can seem scary or intimidating to some people, especially if they have little to no experience with it. However, investing is a fundamental tool for building long-term wealth and achieving financial goals. Investing can be scary for several reasons. Fear of losing money. There is always a risk that an investment may lose value or not perform as expected, which can result in financial losses. This fear of losing money can be a significant barrier to some people who are considering investing. Lack of knowledge. Investing requires a basic understanding of financial markets, investment products, and investment strategies. For someone who is not familiar with these concepts, the idea of investing can be overwhelming. Complexity. There are numerous investment options available, each with its own unique features and benefits. The complexity of the investment landscape can make it difficult for some people to know where to start. Emotional factors. Investing can be an emotional experience. Investors may experience fear, greed, and anxiety, which can impact their decision-making process and make them hesitant to invest. Past experiences. Past experiences with investing, such as a significant loss or being misled by an unscrupulous advisor, can make people wary of investing. These are some of the most common factors, but we can get further in another video. Now, it's time to change that. So, the next question is, how can we overcome these fears? By seeking guidance from trusted advisors, investors can overcome these obstacles and make informed investment decisions. Investing doesn't have to be a scary or taboo topic. By taking some simple steps, we can help remove the barriers and make investing more approachable for everyone. First and foremost, education is key. By providing access to educational resources, we can help people better understand the benefits and risks of investing. This can include seminars, webinars, articles, and other resources to help people learn about investing. Secondly, raising awareness about the importance of investing for financial well-being can help shift attitudes towards it. By highlighting the success stories of investors who have achieved their financial goals through investing, we can help inspire and encourage others to take the leap. Thirdly, making investing more accessible and user-friendly can help remove some of the barriers to entry. This can include simplifying investment products and platforms and reducing fees. Fourthly, ensuring that investment advisors and platforms are transparent about the risks and costs involved can help build trust and reduce fear among potential investors. Finally, having successful investors, particularly from diverse backgrounds, as role models can help inspire and encourage more people to invest. In conclusion, investing doesn't have to be a scary or taboo topic. By improving education, raising awareness, making investing more accessible, being transparent, and providing positive role models, we can help remove the taboo around investing and make it a more approachable and accepted concept. The fear associated with investing often stems from the uncertainty and risk involved. It's important to remember that every investment comes with a degree of risk, and there are no guarantees of returns. However, with proper education, research, and diversification, investors can manage risk and improve their chances of success. Additionally, it's important to understand that investing is a long-term strategy. Short-term market fluctuations may cause anxiety, but a well-diversified portfolio with a long-term focus can help smooth out those fluctuations and lead to positive returns over time. Ultimately, investing can be a valuable tool for building wealth and achieving financial goals. While it may seem scary at first, with proper education and a long-term perspective, it can be a rewarding and fulfilling experience. Let me know in the comments sections what other ways to overcome the fear of investing we should include in this list. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video blog.
If you're enjoying the content on this channel, please take a moment to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated on all the latest videos. By doing so, you'll be helping to support the channel and keep us motivated to create more great content for you to enjoy.